under pressure. Zulfairus. Bennett can turn. And Tampines need to respond. Madu. Oh, that pass cut out by Ricky Fajrin. And Bali United fans who've made a journey in dreamland. And even for Stefano Tecco, he couldn't have imagined a start as good as this for Bali United. Kopitovic pulls it up to Madu Nakamura. Still a Tampines throw-in. Kopitovic wins the corner. So William Pacheco puts that into touch. Here's the corner, first one for Tampines. Kyoga Nakamura to swing it in. Can they respond here? Tampines flicked on by Bennett. Amiro will challenge it. Sergio can't defend. Here's Webb. He gets the foul. Decision goes to Bali United. Well, if you've joined us late, you've missed a lot in this first 15 minutes. And quick free kick taken. Here's Lili Pali to Platia for the hat-trick. Well read by Bennett. Shah. Mehmedovic. Madu. Mehmedovic skips past his opponent, can't find Kopitovic. Placha with a layoff. Dealt with by Amirul. The foul goes against that challenge by Fadil on Mehmedovic. Nakamura looking to take it quickly. Leave it to Bennett. Launch that to Webb down the left. And he will take on Andika. Plays it simple back to Irwan. Kopitovic. Bennett. Madu. See plenty of the ball, the right back. Mehmedovic around the corner looking for Shah. Can he get a cross in? He likes to take a touch, looking for support. Shah to Mehmedovic. Nice pass to Madu Mohana, who has a striker goal off Huzaifa. And on the counter they go, Bali. Placha. And here's the pace of Yabes. Well defended by Irwan Shah. Andika Wijaya. Lilipali. The layoff heavy. And picked up here by Huzaifa. Nakamura. Kopitovic. Irwan. Webb. Well, Tampines are very, very deep, and Bali United have played from the start a very high line. They've made defending against Tampines very, very easy so far. Mehmedovic. Madu is the option down the right. Here's Madu Mohana. Shah. Mehmedovic with the flick loses out. Nuri looking for Placha. Placha's offside, flag is up. Easy decision. It was coming back from an offside position. And the assistant referee on the far side getting that decision right. The Tampines can't penetrate the Bali United backline and haven't really gelled in attack. Kopitovic has seen plenty of the ball, but his back has been to goal. Webb goes up against the rock that is Tupamahu. Berwanuri. Pacheco. Easy possession, unopposed. And the freedom of Jalan Besar Stadium. Tampines not putting on the press. Not yet, at least. Here's Shah. Nuri. Tupamahu. Pacheco just slowing down the pace of the game. Bali and playing it to their own tempo. Pacheco to Ricky Fajrin. No forcing play, and he'll play it back to Wawan Hendrawan, and there's a slice clearance by the keeper. Madu Stro, Kopitovic again with the hold-up play. Madu. Well, he'll try to prevent the corner there, Pacheco. He won't get to it, and it's another corner for the Stags as we approach the 20-minute mark. Mehmedovic an option. Nakamura will perhaps go straight. No, he plays Mehmedovic, and they will go 2-on-2 here. Mehmedovic with the fake will get it in second time around, looking for Madu Mohana. Powerful header off target. Big chance for Tampines Rovers, not taken. Madu was tightly marked, might have been put off, but getting ahead of his marker. Will be disappointed he didn't hit the target. 1-1 under pressure by Kopitovic. Does well to get rid. Late challenge on Huzaifa. Tampines still in possession. Referee plays advantage. Webb. Outnumbered. Sergio. And forces the ball to Yabes Roni. Bennett. Second time of asking. Gets possession. Nakamura. Mehmedovic. Nice outside of the foot flick. Shah. That's a good ball. Here's Yerwan. Looking for support. Plays it back to Shah. Drill ball to Kopitovic. Nakamura will try to jinx his way through. Kyoga Nakamura looking for Kopitovic. Yerwan Shah in the area, gets the shots off the top of the net, but that's enterprising play by Tampines Rovers, and best spell of possession so far by the Stags, with the left back coming out very high on the pitch in support. Kyoga Nakamura did well, was looking for Kopitovic. The ball fell to Yerwan Shah, couldn't find the target. Route 1 by Pacheco, looking for the run of Paulo Sergio. Shah with time. Look at where Jordan Webb is, almost at a left back position. Huzaifa. Kopitovic looking to find Webb. And Webb will chase the clearance down and will keep it in play. Here's the Canadian. Has Kyoga Nakamura as support, as well as Mehmedovic. Still with Mehmedovic. Nakamura to Webb. Try to play in Mehmedovic. One high up by Nakamura. Good spell here by Tampines, putting on the pressure. Webb now down the right. Madu can cross. Elects not to. We'll play it to Nakamura. Madu. Well, try to get a free kick, but that's great defending by Berwanuri. Sergio. Clean tackle by Huzaifa. Webb in control. Jordan Webb trying to give and go. Corner to Tampines. Good spell by the Stags. Nakamura, as he's done in his first half, in charge of the set pieces. It was lethal from dead ball last season for Albrecht Niigata. And now with Tampines this season. The signal is up, he'll send it in, far post, looking for Webb, who got behind Wawan and Drawan, doesn't hit the target, Missed opportunity for Tampines. Just misjudged the flight of the ball. There is a heavy breeze at Jalan Besar Stadium, and perhaps that's what caught Wawan Hendrawan out. But great delivery, and Webb will be disappointed having got header and not finding the target. Let off there for Wawan Hendrawan. Pacheco. Nouri has dropped deep and will split the two central defenders and be the playmaker from deep. Here's Nouri once again. Pacheco looking for options. Tries to drill one to Ricky Fajrin. Nouri. Tupamahu. Sergio. Oh, can't find Yabes. Mehmedovic. Well, still with Zerudin Mehmedovic. Webb under pressure. Releases it to Kopitovic on the right. Well, try to play in. Mehmedovic cut out as they pack the area here, Bali United. Tampines struggling to find a way past this red wall. Nakamura with time to get a cross in. Still with Nakamura, headed away by Pacheco. Madu Mohana with the clearance. Uzaifa looking to flick it on. Mehmedovic! Good clean strike. Good save by Wawan Hendrawan. And William Pacheco looks to be in some discomfort there. In arguing his point, he should have got a free kick, suggesting an elbow as well. Nakamura's delivery, good header by Madu, and this is the challenge by Huzaifa on Pacheco. Good clean strike that was by Mehmedovic. "25 minutes gone, Bali United." As we see this chance once again. Huzaifa, did he lean with an elbow? Oh, hard to tell there. Very little in it. Mehmedovic, good clean strike, but Wawan Hendrawan with the save. So 2-0 to Bali United. A double by Melvin Platja in the 8th and 13th minute. 2 goals in 5. Bali United in control. It does seem to be okay. Good spot there. Once again, Bali United fans. Plenty of noise. With a dance moves as well. Here's Webb and Kopitovic. Deep in discussion. He's grown into the game so far. Quiet first 10-15 minutes by Kopitovic, but has grown as the half has worn on. And so has Tampines, and perhaps a little bit of nerves in the beginning on the big stage. But they're in trouble now. They will need to get a goal before half time, and that will really set us up for a great second half. Pacheco seems to be okay. He'll definitely carry on. Such an influential player at the back for Bali United, who have looked fantastic so far. If this is a sign of things to come, well, Bali United will look to defend their title in the Indonesian League, and perhaps even look, if not AFC Champions League, and making a statement in the AFC Cup, that's for sure. Platja. Loose ball picked up by Webb. Kopitovic. Time here for Madu Mohana. Looking for Webb. Does well. Knocks it down to Huzaifa. Here's Webb. Webb down the outside. Gets a cross in. Looking for Kopitovic. Hendrawan comes out. Doesn't claim. Was a late challenge on Webb. And they get away with it, Bali. And Tampines will get the throw. Not the most convincing goalkeeping there by Wawan Hendrawan. Good give and go. Everyone tries to keep it in play. Good ball out here to Lilipali. Ricky Fajrin under pressure by Memedovic. Does well the left back to find a pass to Paulo Sergio. Lilipali can't bring it with him. Well, that's the cross. Look at the keeper here. Doesn't claim. Doesn't get a clean punch and then comes feet first against Jordan Webb. On another day, more contact, might have seen a penalty. Amirul. Erwan. Huzaifa. Bennett. Huzaifa does well to control under pressure. Nakamura helps out his teammates. Amirul. Shah. Looking for options. Webb comes deep. Good foot in by Pacheco. Sergio. And here's Yabes Roni on his bike. Yabes. Held up by Erwan. Fletcher. Wide. But every time he takes a strike at goal, you wonder, is he going to score his hat-trick? Good vision to set up Yabes Roni. Cuts back, intelligent play, looking for Platcher. Didn't really get much backlift on that. Looking for the far post once again. Shah out wide to Webb. And he will take on Andika. Good defending by Bali United. And they defend as a team. Fadil. Pacheco. Ricky Fajrin down the left. Sergio comes deep. Oh, good skill to get past Shahiran. Paulo Sergio out wide to Stefano Lilipali. He cuts inside Lilipali, looking for Yabes. A bit too heavy and offside flag is up regardless. Oh, quick free kick taken. Amirul looking for support. Webb coming inside to Kopitovic. Webb. Memedovic. Good turn here by Zerudin Memedovic. Bought himself some time. Ball looking for Webb, but that's great defending by Fadil. And that's what you expect from your defensive midfielder, to plug in the gaps. Andika. Fadil Sausu. Pacheco brings it out from defense. That's a good ball to Ricky Fajrin. This Ricky early cross is a poor one. Platcher, Sergio, in the area as options, doesn't find them. Bennett. Well, coming off the arm of Kopitovic, did get a nudge there by Pacheco. Unlucky for Tampines number 9. Free kick to Bali. Quickly taken. Here's Ricky. Good defensive work by Memedovic. But on the cover there is Berwanuri. Gives it straight here to Kopitovic. Hack down. Kopitovic asking, "May I have a card, please?" And no, says the ref. But you'll get the free kick. It's comedy of errors there. Nuri losing his footing. One slightest of touches there on Kopitovic. And set piece opportunity for Tampines Rovers. Nakamura over this. Madu, Amirul, Kopitovic, Webb, Big Dan Bennett up for this as well. Here's Nakamura's delivery. It's a dangerous one. Pacheco with the header away. Bemenovic blocked. It's a good ball looking for Lillipali. Irwan Shah back to Zulfairus. Calmly plays it to Nakamura. Flat ball. And on the edge of his area as far as he's allowed was Wawan Indrawan. And collects it. Sergio. Fadil. A great half of football so far. Still 11 minutes to go to the break. And watching it live on One Play Sports. Yabes with the pace. Lillipali in the area. So is Platcher. The challenge comes in by Kyoga Nakamura and comes off Yabes for a Tampines goal kick. Remember, if you're watching us on One Play Sports on Facebook or on YouTube, do subscribe, follow us for more great content coming to you all year round. So Fires with the kick out straight to Tupamahu. Irwan. Webb will try and use his pace. Just knocked off the Canadian, hasn't had the freedom that he would want. It's been tightly marked, and Bali of course have done their homework. They know all about the attack of Tampines Rovers. Smart ball out to Ricky Fajrin. Fadil. Not picking up the run of Ricky Fajrin. Here's Melvin Platcher. Lillipali. So close for the captain. Unmarked. But so quick in the attack. Bali United. And Ricky Fajrin with a smart layoff to Platcher. Again, with another layoff, Lillipali with his right foot doesn't trouble Zulfairus. Well, no one picking up Ricky Fajrin once again. And Tampines will need to deal with that. Fadil, Ricky, Lillipali. Back to Ricky Fajrin. Fadil. Nouri under pressure. Has to be careful. Pulling back. Jordan Webb there. And he'll get a yellow card. The first of the game. Taking one for the team is Barwa Nouri. It's a good professional foul there. They needed to do that. Otherwise, Tampines would have tried to hit them on the counter, and with Jordan Webb in full flight, it's very hard to stop. Shah, Nakamura. Irwan's layoff, cleared by Pacheco. Nakamura under pressure. Paulo Sergio does well. Nakamura, not the biggest of players, but very, very smart footballer. And was in the SPL Team of the Year last year. Amirul. Webb. Credit to Andika Wijaya. He's dealt with the threat of Jordan Webb so far. 38 minutes played. Madu. Bennett. Nakamura. Possession football by Tampines. Amirul needs to be careful. We'll go back to Zulfairus. Oh, good turn there by Huzaifa to Kopitovic. Huzaifa given a chance to win it back the second time. Amirul's header. Here's Nuri. Again looking for the pace of Yabes Roni. Amirul does well defensively. Throw in to Bali United. Amirul with the clearance. Kopitovic will go up here against Tupamahu. Webb with the header. And Tupamahu with the clearance once again. Nakamura. Madu in support. That's a good ball out here to the right back. Has Kopitovic and Webb ahead of him. Plays it back to Nakamura. Shah. Mehmedovic. Shah Shahiran. Nakamura. Irwan. We need to go central. Back to Nakamura. And good shape by Bali United in defense. Bennett. Mehmedovic. Bali only pressing from the halfway mark. Inviting Tampines over and trying to hit them on the break. Nakamura. Mehmedovic touched on to Shah. Kopitovic. Shah. Madu will keep this in. Kopitovic will win the throw. And the battle once again. Mehmedovic. The flick on to Kopitovic. And he used all the experience in the world there, Pacheco. Just nudge his opponent out of the way. Legally, of course. Shah. Huzaifa. Back to Shah. Can't link up with Kopitovic. Yabes. Oh, finds Andika. Then brought down there by Shah. And he will get a yellow card. Shah Shahiran, a bit harsh. Well, perhaps stopping the counter there. And that's the referee's thinking. Good initial play there. Yes. Oh, he was on his way to get across it, perhaps. Andika Wijaya. So, right decision by the ref. Shah Shahiran with the yellow. 2 yellows so far, 1 each. Shah there, just getting it for Tampines. Barwa Nuri for Bali United, the 2 players on a yellow card. 3 minutes to go to the break. Pacheco. Mehmedovic. Looking for the run of Kopitovic. Up against Tupamahu. There's Kopitovic in the area. Boris Kopitovic pulls one back for Tampines Rovers. Individual piece of brilliance by Tampines Rovers' new number 9, Boris Kopitovic. He's seen off the threat of Leonard Tupamahu. The Yellow Knights love it. And from an acute angle, rolls it past. Wawan Hendrawan. And what a time to get it. Just minutes before the break. There's Kopitovic just bullying Leonard Tupamahu. You have to say, Wawan Hendrawan didn't come off with high marks on that effort to stop it. But game on here. Ricky Fajrin. Good block by Zerudin Mehmedovic, who has been excellent in his first half for Tampines Rovers. What a great player he is. Oh, what a game we have. And sets us up for a great second half. Well, Bali United might have different ambitions here with this Fadil corner. Flat delivery, headed away by Shah. Mehmedovic strong in the challenge. And here's Nakamura. Nuri. Fadil. Lilipali. 60 seconds plus whatever the fourth official decides to show on his board. Sergio. And Bali United have faded as the half has gone on. And Tampines will take heart from that. Here one. Shah. Amirul. Here's Webb. Here one. Madhu. Nakamura will pick this up. Strong defending there by the captain, Stefano Lilipali. 2 minutes of time to be added on at the end of this first half. Oh, no one picking up Nakamura. Gets the cross in, headed away by Pacheco, straight to Mehmedovic. Madhu. Platcher comes back to defend, does well. Misunderstanding there between Platcher and Lilipali, the captain. Kopitovic. Of course, after the goal. Leonard Tupamahu. Andika. Yabes. Berwanuri. Here's Yabes once again. Look at the pace here. Give and go. Rano as far as he can. Looking for Lilipali. Wasted chance. Could he have taken that first time? By Yabes Roni. Speedy Gonzalez down the right. Here's that early opportunity. Look at the pace. Has the beating of Shah. Cross in. A bit awkward. The height there for Lilipali. Great skill there by Nuri. The referee has a look at his watch. Paulo Sergio and referee Ahmad Yaqub Ibrahim brings an end to a fascinating first half. Football, we've missed you. Welcome back in 2020. And what a way to get the goal scoring going here in this match. Melvin Platcher with the goal of the game so far. Picking up a loose ball, seeing Zulfairus Rudy off his line. And with a nice effort to pick out a ball into